Hello there, I'm Peggy McColl, New York Times bestselling author. I am the author of 17 books. They're sold in over 100 countries and translated, as far as I know, into at least 37 languages. But I have a question for you. Have you thought about writing a book? Well, maybe you have, maybe you haven't, but I'm going to tell you now is the absolute best time. That's right, it's the best time for you to write a book. People are hungry. What are they hungry for? They're hungry for information, they're hungry for knowledge, they're hungry for entertainment, they're hungry for wisdom, and people are seeking some information right now. And I'm going to give you some guidance through some free webinars on what you can do right now to not only get that book written, but to experience phenomenal success from the comfort of your home. So that's what we're going to be doing together, my friends. I welcome you to join me. Sign up. It costs you nothing. These are free events. I'm going to address some questions as well, and I'm going to open up your mind to some new possibilities, and the opportunities of you being a wildly successful author. So join me, and I look forward to seeing you on these special events.